What is basically risk tolerance? Is it important to understand your risk tolerance? To enlighten you more on this, we have our investment expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Hariharan, the stage is all yours.
Is our personality when it comes to investments? What kind of an investor we are? Are we a conservative investor? Are we an aggressive investor? And therefore, what kind of risk appetite can we take? Okay, is what the first house indicates is all about self-analyzing, identifying yourself, and this sort of forms the basis for the investment. And this is something which I can tell you of with my experience of so many years in the industry and having met so many investors. 99% of investors don't do this. Okay, and when I say they don't do it, their advisors or whoever is also helping them don't do this, and this is a fact. And therefore, what we are going to do now is to, one, analyze for ourselves, find out for ourselves where do we belong, and that will become the basis for selecting the mutual fund.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.